Morning, children. Take out your textbook. Here, Varna ki dhvani. First, we'll read the textbook. So here, A se anar, pomegranate. A se amrut, a goa. A se am, mango. A se aag, a fire. E से इमली tamarind. E से इमारती इमारती. E से ईख sugarcane. E से ईसा Jesus. U से उल्लू and owl. U से ostara aerosol. U से ऊन ul. U से ऊंट a camel. R से ऋषि a saint. A से एड़ी a heel. A से ektara a musical instrument. I से ऐनक spectacles. I से ऐरावत elephant. O से ओकली mortar. O से ओढ़नी a veil. औ से औरत woman. औ से औषधि medicine. से अंगूर grapes. से लंगूर and app. आहा आ ई उ ru a I o ow aha. Take page number 12. व्यंजन consonants. का से कबूतर a pigeon. का से कमल a lotus. ख से खरगोश a rabbit. ख से खरबूजा a muskmelon. ग से गमला a flower pot. ग से गधा a donkey. ग से घर a house. घ से घड़ी watch. न्या. च से चटाई a mat. च से चम्मच a spoon. छ से छतरी and umbrella. छ से छड़ी stick. ज से जग a jug. ज से जहाज a ship. झ से झंडा a flag. झ से झरना waterfall. न्या. ट से टमाटर a tomato. ट से टब a tub. ठ से ठठेरा sorry. ठ से ठेला a handcart. ठ से ठठेरा a blacksmith. ड से डमरू a small drum. ड से डंडा a rod. ढ से ढक्कन a cover. ढ से ढोलक a drum. ना. आ से हिरन a deer. बा से barn and arrow. Take the first page again. Read. A से अनार a pomegranate. A से अमरूद a गोवा. आ से आम a mango. आ से आग a fire. ई से इमली tamarind. ई से इमारती इमारती. ई से ईक, sugarcane. ई से ईसा, Jesus. ऊ से उल्लू and owl. ऊ से उस्तरा, aerosol. ऊ से ऊन, उल. ऊ से ऊन, a camel. ऋ से ऋषि, a saint. ए से एड़ी, a heel. ए से एकतारा, a musical instrument. I से ऐनक, spectacles. I से ऐरावत, elephant. ओ से ओकली, mortar. ओ से ओढ़नी, a veil. औ से औरत, woman. औ से औषधि, medicine. अम से अंगूर, grapes. अम से लंगूर and apple. aha. आ इ ई उ ऊ ऋ ए आई ओ औ आहा. क से कबूतर, pigeon. क से कमल, लोटस. ख से खरगोश, rabbit. ख से खरबूजा, muskmelon. ग से गमला, a flower pot. ग से गधा, donkey. घ से घर, a house. घ से घड़ी, a watch. न्या. च से चटाई, a mat. च से चम्मच, a spoon. छ से छतरी, an umbrella. छ से छड़ी, a stick. ज से जग, a jug. ज से जहाज, a ship. झ से झंडा, a flag. झ से झरना, waterfall. न्या. ट से टमाटर, a tomato. ट से टब, a tub. ठ से ठेला, a hand cart. ठ से ठठेरा, a blacksmith. ड से डमरू, a small drum. ड से डंडा, a rod. ढ से ढक्कन, a cover. ढ से ढोलक, a drum. न, हा से हिरन, a deer. बा से बाण, an arrow. Now in the same book, take page number 10. See here, page number 10 in your textbook only. You have to take page number 10. Here they are given चित्रों को देखकर सही अक्षर से मिलाना कीजिए. Match each picture with the correct letter. Here, match each picture with the correct letter. Match each picture with the correct letter. Here there is a box like this. And in this box, they are given the letters. A, E, A, O, and the last is I. So here the pictures are. So here like this, you have got the pictures. Like this. And the side also, they are given the pictures. Like this, they are given the pictures. And here, they are given the letters. Okay, here you have to see the letters and here pictures. Which picture is matched to which letter? See, here A is there. So A say, is it grapes? Angur? No. A say so you have to match to A like this. Okay. Here A say Now here grapes is there. What do you call for grapes in Hindi? Say angur. Here in this box, where is Here it is. So what you have to do? You have to match to that letter. Say angur. Now here, I say nut. Where is I? Here? No. This is I? No. Here it is in the last. What you have to do? I say nut. Okay. Now what picture is this? O say Okkali. Occuli. Where is O here? Here it is. Okay. This is O. O say Occuli. You have to match like this. In your textbook, you have got the textbook now. In that page number 10. Okay. Page number 10 in the textbook, we have to do this. Okay. Then Ektara. A say Ektara, a musical instrument. You have to match like this. Okay. A say Ektara, a musical instrument. Now only one letter and one picture is left. One letter. Which letter is that left? It is E. E say Isa. Jesus. Okay. So here say Angur, grapes. Say mango. I say Ainat, spectacles. O say Occuli, mortar. A say Ektara, a musical instrument. E say Isa, Jesus. Like this, you have to match to this letters with the pictures. Okay. After this, now in the same page, next is join each letter written in the first circle with the same letter in the second circle. Second circle. Okay. Here the first circle, small circle here, and one more like this. Big circle. And the same thing here also. Small circle like this, and one more circle is like this. In this circle, they are given the letters. Here the letter is, what letter is this? This is Ru. Okay, and here few letters they are given. O, Ru, again E, again Ru, A, Ru, and Ru. Like this, they are given. Now, what you have to do? Here they are given Ru. See, in the first circle, what is there in the small circle? Ru. So, same letter you have to see in the outer circle. Here you have to see same letter, and we have to match that letter. Okay. Here the same letter. Now where is Ru? Here the Ru. And here in the outer circle, where is Ru? Here it is. So what you have to do? You have to match. And one more, it's here. Then one more like this. Then one more like this. You have to match. Okay. Here also same thing. Here the small circle, and in between that, here they are given ow. So you have to search ow. Only ow letter. Ow. E. Again. Ow. A. Ow. A. Ow. And here it's Ru. So here also you have to search the same letter. Here it is ow, no? So in the outer circle also you have to search ow. Okay, where is ow? Here it is here like this. Match. And one more, it is here. Okay. Another one, it is here. And one more is here, like. Okay, only the letter what they are given in the circle in the middle, only that letter you have to search in the outer circle and you have to match the letter. Okay. Shall I rub this? Now the next is identify the letters. Identify the letter given in each box. Circle the same letter given in that row. Okay, here the box. Like this, they are given the box. In this box, they are given the letters. A, E, A, last is O. So here, A, Ru, O, A, E. This is page number 11. This one is page number 11. In the next is Ru, A, E, O. I, A, Ow, aha. Last, here, oo, e, oo, ah. So you have to see here the letter and you have to circle in the row. Here they are given ah. So same letter you have to search in the row and you have to circle. Where is ah here? Search. This is ah. This is first ah. Only ah. This is ru. And this one is o. Here comes ah. So you have to circle ah like this. Now next is E. Is this E? No. This is ru. This one A. And this ah. And here is E. E. You have to circle here. Okay. Here A they are given. Is this A? No. This is A? No. This is So between this A is here. So you have to circle A like this. Okay. And here oo is here. This is oo. No. This one? No. This? No. This? Yes. What you have to do? You have to circle here. Okay. Now here next is here page number 11. You have to color the pictures. Here they are given. Color the pictures with and write their names in Hindi. Okay. Here you have to color. Here they have already colored. Here you have to write only the names. Here. Write in Hindi. The names of the following pictures. Okay, you have to write the names. Here they are given the pictures. Like this, they are given the picture. Here they are given fire. Down, you have to write it in Hindi. Goa. Down, you have to write it in Hindi. And owl. Down, you have to write their names. Here, first you have to write a fire. Ag. 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 Like this, you have to Right. Next is Amrud. Rako uki matra. The Amrud. Like this, you have to write. In the last, you have to write Ullu. First, you have to see here. Lu. Like this, you have to write. Here in the last, they are given the pictures. You have to color this pictures. Color the picture and write their names in Hindi. You have to color the pictures and write their names in Hindi. Okay, they are given the like this. Like this, they are given. Below that, you have to write their names. What is this? This one is Anar, pomegranate. You have to write Anar, pomegranate. Here, you have to write Und. Here below, you have to write Und. Camel. This one last is Okali. Okali. You have to write it in your textbook. You have to do all this in your textbook. Okay. In the next, again, you have got copywriting, no? You have got copywriting book. In that book, Sia. Hindi homework. Copywriting. Page number. You have got copywriting here like this. In that, you have to write 2 pages. Page number 2 and page number 3. You have to write page number 2 and 3 in your copywriting. This is your Hindi homework. You have to write 2-page copywriting, and this one in your textbook. You have to write it in your textbook. Okay, children. Again, in the next class, we'll continue the next. Okay. Thank you.